In this video, I will show you how to set your Xbox Series X or S as your home console. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, as you can see, we're here on my Xbox dashboard. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come into your console settings. So if you come up to the top and you want to click onto the gear icon up here, it's going to take you into your console settings. Now what you want to do from here, as you can see on this menu on the left hand side, we're currently on general. So you want to make sure you're on general and then press right on your controller. Then what you need to do is come across to personalization and press A to go into this section. From here, if you looked at the very bottom, you can see it says My Home Xbox. So what you want to do is press A onto this to open it up. And from here, you can see I've already set mine to list Home Xbox. However, this box should be unchecked. So all you're going to want to do is basically tick this box to set this as your Home Xbox. Now, when it's set to your Home Xbox, people can actually play your downloaded games without you signing in. And if you do have Xbox Game Pass, your whole household gets to enjoy it on this Xbox console. So of course this is a recommended setting on the console you do use the most, and you can have one home Xbox at a time and can switch up to 5 times per year. So that's just a few things to bear in mind there. But with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. That being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.